This right here is the nostril, and just inside the nostril right here is the nasal vestibule. This is the superior, middle, and inferior nasal concha. And this space right behind the concha is the internal nares or choani. This is the frontal sinus. This is the sphenoid sinus. And this right here, the little line right here, is the auditory tube. This whole space right here is the nasopharynx. This space right here behind the mouth is the oral pharynx, and this space down here is the laryngopharynx. So this is the pharyngeal tonsil, this is the uvula, and this area right here is the soft palate. So this is the palatine tonsil, and this is the lingual tonsil. So this is the esophagus right here, and this is the larynx. So this is the thyroid cartilage, and this is the cricoid cartilage. So this is the epiglottis right here. The superior vocal cord is right here, or the false vocal cord. And this is the true vocal cord. This right here is the thyroid cartilage. This is cricoid cartilage, and so is this back here. So these two little horns right here, these are the corniculate, and these little parts down here, these are the arytenoid. This is the epiglottis. This is the thyroid, and down here, where this muscle's covering, is the cricoid. These things right here, these are the arytenoid. These two sides, this is the true vocal cords, and in between that is the glottis. These are the tracheal cartilage, and in between is the trachealis. So these two main branches right here, these are the primary bronchi. The branches coming off of the primary, these are the secondary bronchi. In this example, coming off of the secondary branches, so these smaller ones out here, these are the tertiary bronchi. So these up here are the terminal bronchioles. This one coming down to the alveoli is the respiratory bronchiole. This whole section that's roped off right here, this is the alveolar sac. This hole in the middle, this is the alveolar duct, and these individual pods, these are alveoli. This is the superior lobe of the lung. This is the middle lobe of the lung, and this is the inferior lobe of the lung. This is also superior and inferior right here. And this notch where the heart pokes through, that's the cardiac notch. So this muscle down here, this is the diaphragm. So this inside layer is the visceral pleura. The layer after that is the pleural cavity, and the outside is the parietal pleura.